I can see Javian right now. Only Javian. Others.
So give me a minute, I will on my cam.
Hmm. Take 2 minutes time. Okay. Aram se. Rishi, Teja, and Praharshan. How many children are there? Javian 1, Praharshan 2, Teja 3, others 4, Rishi 5. That's it. And only 5 people joined. That's it.
So there are few people missing, sir.
Yeah, few people missing, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, children. See how many chapters we have covered. Very less chapters, right? We have covered first real numbers, then what we did? Directly we did which chapter? After the first one. Harshan, which chapter we have done? Trigonometry.
Shall I
Right.
continue or will yes?
We are doing the third chapter, I think, right?
Yes, sir.
Uh, Surface area in volumes is the third chapter, no? So today we'll start the next chapter, that is AP, okay? Today we'll start AP chapter. Clear? We'll start AP today. AP means what? What is AP you heard? Before you heard children, AP? Teja, you heard AP. First time I saw you. Teja, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
So AP is arithmetic progression. Children, AP full form is arithmetic progression. Okay. So I tell you the concept of AP of the first and second exercise. Okay. So what I should do, add a page. I'll do from starting, that is better. Basic only for you people, I start basics over there. Basic, okay, of AP. So very less people are there. It's not mood only. Suppose few people are missing, again the thing will come. No, basic thing will start means again. Okay, they will see the videos, right? No problem. Please. Praharshan on the camera. Praharshan,
Sir, your voice is breaking, sir.
voice is breaking.
Sir, your voice is breaking.
Is it? Others, my voice is breaking. Others.
Clear करना sir.
Huh? What? What others?
It is clear only sir.
It's clear only. Okay. Praharshan is breaking for you, right?
Sir, like it's breaking too much for me.
Yeah, yeah. I think this is due to your network problem, I think.
So meter is so breaking, sir.
Okay, fine.
Breaking a lot, actually.
Come once again. Join once again. Go and join once again. Just try once.
Okay.
Chanchal also join. Chanchal, Rasool.
Sir, are you sharing the screen?
Yeah, you can't see.
Yes, sir. Actually, can't see. It's showing blank, sir.
Yeah, blank only. White is there, right?
Black, sir. Full.
So black it's showing. Again, I'm sharing it. Again, I'll share. One, two, three, four. Count 10, you will get. What? Now it's
Sir,
clear?
still blank, sir. Sir, let me rejoin.
Okay, fine.
Yes, sir. Now it's fine.
See children, what we have to do here is, from starting I'm telling you once again, how do we get, this is in AP. So here common difference should be same. Everywhere common difference should be same. It means that A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, A4 minus A3, A5 minus A4 should be same everywhere. By the help of this, we can say that this whole series is in AP. This whole series is in what? AP. Okay. Next, general formula of AP is AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. General, GENERAL. General formula of AP is AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. Suppose I tell one example, if I give, then you understand. Okay, 1 minute. So here I given same example, I just write here. What was I written? The top I was written as minus 73159. 73159 and 9. See here, what is A, children? Tell me what is AN, what is A, what is N, and what is D? Tell me, children. Javi, and tell me what is AN over here?
So -7.
A is -7. A first term is -7. I'm asking AN. AN is the last term. AN is what?
The
N is-
last term, 9.
Yeah, N term, that is 9. Okay, what is N? Number of terms. That is counting. Children, difference between, you will confuse between what, you know? You will confuse between this AN and N. You remember only one thing. AN is the value present at nth place, value of nth place. And N is nothing but, if you count that, then that is coming of N. So if you're counting here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is the value of N? 5. We have
5.
counted. Understood? And,
Yes, sir.
and AN is the last term. N is the counting thing. This is the value. This is what? Value of the nth term. Value of nth term. This is the number of terms. That is counting part. Understood? Counting will come into picture. Is it clear between these two children or not? If you are having clear between these two, so you are not having problem in this common difference, your formula. AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. What is D over here? Others, tell me what is D over here? Others. Children, why you're not on your camera? I should not tell every time. I don't know. I will not allow it in the next class of you people. I can see only Javian. Every time I should tell it on your camera, on your camera. You are not obeying any of the things what is given in the classroom and all. WhatsApp is clearly mentioned what you have to obey and all. Every time you should tell you on your camera and all. See what I'm saying here is D is the common difference, and D is nothing but anywhere you can find a difference. See A1, this is A2, this is A3, this is A4, this is A5, and don't confuse between A1 and, or you can say A also, and this is nothing but first term. Okay, this is nothing but first term, and D is the common difference that you can write anything whichever is convenient to you. You can write. You can write A2 minus A1 also. That is nothing but -3 plus 7, that is 4. So children, if you are not having doubt in these 4 things, so your first exercise is based on this thing only. 4 steps: first, second, third, and fourth. Anyone having doubt, just let me know. Now it's clear, Hemant? Hemant, now it's clear.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Sir, once can you scroll up?
Once
Can you scroll up?
scroll up. Okay. Still more, I should scroll up.
No, sir, it's not.
Okay, fine. Samarth, you have read this chapter before? Samarth, you have read this before? First term and common difference. First term and common difference, right? Common difference. Then what you can do? Then you can write, and D you know means you can write AP easily. First term always you know that is A. Second term, if you add the difference, you will get second term. If you add 2 difference, then you'll get third term. If you add 3 difference, you'll get third term, fourth term. So this is your first term. This is the second term. This is the third term. This is the fourth term. Can we say this is A1, this is A2, this is A3, this is A4. We can say like that, children?
Yes, sir, we can say that.
So this is the fourth term. This is the third term. This is the second term, A2. And this is the first term. So children, here, if I want to write a 100 term, what I should write? What I should write for 100 term if I want 101? A plus. You can see one difference, children, here everywhere. You can see the difference one. If a fourth term we are writing, then we are getting A plus 3D. Third term we are writing A plus 2D we are getting, right? I mean one less we are getting every time. A here third term is A plus 2D. Fourth term means A plus 3D. Second term means A plus D. First term is A only. So what is the 100 term? What we can write for 100 term, children? Tell me all
A
of you.
plus 99D.
A plus 99D. Yes, A plus 99D. And suppose if I ask you what we can write for AN, then what you say? Tell children, if A100 is A plus 99D, so what we can write for AN? Hemant, tell me, Hemant.
Sir, we can write it as.
Who can tell me the answer for this? If
Sir, I can answer.
Okay, Samarth can tell because you have read already. Fine. Anybody else except Samarth can say this? See, first term is A, second term is A plus D, third term is A plus 2D, fourth term is A plus 3D, 100 term is A plus 99D. AN is equals to what? A plus dash D. What we can write? Tell me fast, Hemant.
Sir, A plus dash.
A plus dash D. What we can fill in dash? Rasul. What we can fill in dash? What we can fill in dash? Can you tell me, Rasul? Rasul, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me what we can write for AN? Tell me, Samarth, you only tell what we can write here.
Sir, A plus N minus 1 whole to D.
That only we are doing, children. That only we are doing. If here is N, we are writing N minus 1 everywhere. See, A100, what we are writing? A plus 100 minus 1 into D. 100 understood, children, or not? We are doing the same thing, same formula we are applying over here. An is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. Is it clear, children, or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Now the same formula we are applying for this one. See, this formula what I have written here, see, This is very, very important formula. This formula is very, very important for the first exercise. Okay. An is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. You keep this formula in your mind. Okay. Keep this formula in your mind. Okay. So till here, you people not having any doubts. So I'll give one question to you.
Okay.
Minus 50 minus 41. Then this is comma you put. Dash, 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 dash. Find the question is find the 50th term of the AP. Find the 50th term. Children, find the 50th term. Can you find 50th term? Who,
Yes, sir, we can find it.
all of you, let's try once. Find the 50th term. It means if you're going to this minus 50, minus 41, dig, 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 dig. You are going further. So at 50th place, what do you get at the 50th place? What do you get at 50th place? Who cannot find this question? I am asking who cannot find this?
Sir, I got the answers.
Okay, fine. Anybody else who got the answer? Hemant, Rasool, others. Others, apply the formula. An is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Fast. Try to do fast, others. Right here. An is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So here what is given in the question, that you write fast. A is equals to minus 50. D is equals to a2 minus a1, right? That is nothing but minus 41 plus 50, that is 9. And n is equal to 50 is given here. Find the 50th term. It means this is counting number. 50th term is what? Counting number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. At 50th place, what will come? So n is equal to 50. You can find. You have to find what? A50. We have to find. Understood? Children, anyone having
Sir, is
doubt?
the answer
Yeah, say.
391?
Okay, let me check here. A is 50 minus 50 plus n minus 1. 50 minus 1 into difference, that is your 9. So minus 50 plus 49 into 9. So minus 50, 59s are 450. 450 minus 9. 450 minus 9 is 441 plus 441. So what answer you are getting, Praharshan? 391. 391, right?
Yes.
Yeah. This is the correct answer. So when you go at the 50th place, 1, 2, 3, ding, ding, 50 place, answer will come what? Answer will come here as 391. Okay. And if you want to count also, minus 50, minus 41, then add 99999. How many times you should do? 50 times you should do. Then you will get here 391. Anyone having doubt in this?
I think 49 times, sir. 50 is not.
What? 49 times you should do, right?
Yeah, A is given, right? Minus 50. So 49 times we have to do.
Yeah. 49 times we are going. That's total. You should at 50th place, what will come? So that is the answer. Others, it's clear to you? Others.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now a small question I'll give it to you, okay? The question is here 9, here is 18, dash, 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 dash. The last term is minus 819. Sorry, plus 819. Okay. Find the number of terms. Question is find the number of terms. Find the number of terms. Find the number of terms. All of you find, children. Same formula. What is the answer? What is the answer, Hemant?
91, sir.
How you solve by formula or simply you divided by 9? Simply you divided by 9 or you got the answer. You solved with formula. Why I given this question, you know, because we know this is 91 will come. So how 91 we are reaching? For that reason I given this.
Sir, I got 89, sir.
89.
Yes.
Sir, I got 91.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's 91. Sir.
So even I'm getting 91, so.
Sir, I think your mic is up, sir.
So you're on mute, sir.
Acha, I was on mute. So very late you responded, people. People responded very late. Huh? After finishing the question, you have responded. Fine. See what I've written here. A is 9, difference is 9, and this is the last term, children. A is equals to 819. Okay. because this, I told you to all of you that this is the value of the last term, and value of the last term is nothing but an. And if you're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, this is your n. Okay, so don't confuse between an and n. Always, 100% you will confuse between an and n always. Remember that an is nothing but value. N is the counting thing. So first of all, while solving also try to understand here. First of all, you send this 9 to other side. It become 819 minus 9. That is 810. Okay. And then this, you bring this 9 to other side. So this will come this one 90. Then 1 will come this side. This come 91. So anyone having doubt in this, children? No doubt, right?
No doubt, sir.
Okay, fine. So now we'll do the first exercise of the chapter. First exercise we'll do. 1.1. So we'll go very fast in this because these all easy questions is given over here. Okay. See, first
Sir, we
question.
can do one bit of every question, sir.
Yeah, only
Better
one question, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. See, in the first question they are asking is write the write first 4 terms of AP. Write first 4 terms of AP. So here A is what? 10 is given. I told you should write A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. You have read before on the concept we have read, Javian?
Yes, sir.
So simply 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 will write. Keep on writing. That's it. Over. Okay. Now see, second question of this is they have given A is equal to -2, D is equal to 0. You should not add anything. So -2, -2, -2, -2, -2, -2, -2. It will come -2 only. Okay. Not clear, Javian?
No, sir. That second one, I'm just finding a little hard to like
What is
understand
there?
it.
Difference is 0. So every time it come A only, no? That is
Yes,
-2,
sir.
again -2, again -2. And everything is in what? AP only. Because difference is what? 0.
Okay, sir.
Next question number 2. Second question is clear. First we have not did. Now question number 3rd. Here we can write easily first term and common difference they're asking. So you can write nothing to do in this question only. First term is 3 and common difference you have to do A2 minus A1. That is 1 minus 3. That is -2. Here also children, some children will do mistake. They'll write directly 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. This is completely wrong. Okay. You should find from back side to front. Okay. You have to go from back to front, not from front to back. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now question number 4. Question number 4 is, first of all, you have to find whether this is an AP or not. Then if it is an AP, you have to find 3 more terms. So how to find this is in AP? Everywhere difference should be same. Everywhere difference should be what? Same. So here difference is coming different. This is different, this is different, this is different. So this is not equal. So this is not in AP. Okay. This is not in AP. Is it clear, children, or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now second part, see, this is in series. This is in AP. The second part, if you see, 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2. So here A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, A4 minus A3. This all difference is what? Equal. So the series is in what? AP. So next 3 terms you should find A5, A6, A7. So what is A5? A plus 4D. What is A6? A plus 5D. What is A7? A plus 6D. Javian, if I want A100, what I should write?
A plus
Yes.
19 in B.
Javian, tell me fast.
Sir, can you just repeat, sir?
I am seeing that your mind is not proper here. That's why I asked you.
No, sir, actually something went in my eyes, so I was trying to take it out, sir.
Okay, fine. No question for you then. Okay, next question. So like this only, children, you have to find. If this is an AP, then find the next three terms. See here, question is minus 1.2, minus 3.2, minus 5/2, minus 7.2.
Sir,
So
the another three will be, sir, 9.2, 11.2, and 13.2.
Yes, minus only.
Minus
Yes.
will be there.
Yeah. So here, this one, this one, this one, all are in what? Same. So this is in what? AP. So next three terms you can find easily. Next three terms you can find easily, no? A month, it's clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So these all questions are very, very easy. I'm going to the last question. Here you may have doubt. See, question number, all of you do a square, a to the power 3, a to the, you can do root 2. All of you do this, root 2, root 8, root 8, root 3.
Sir, this is not in AP, sir. This is GP.
Which question?
Sir, this one, a square, a cube, a to the power 4.
GP you read, you are not having GP no.
No, GP is not here, but I read it.
Fine. Children, all of you do the find the next three terms, root 2, 8, 18, 32. 2, 8, 18, 32. 2, 8, 18, 32. Find whether this is in AP or not. Find whether this is in AP or not, whether the terms are in AP or not. If yes, find next three terms. Next three terms. All of you find, children, fast. Whether the terms are in AP or not. If yes, find next three terms.
Sir, it's not an AP.
Not AP. What is the first difference coming? First difference, what you are
Sir,
getting? First difference, what you are
First
getting?
difference 6.
You are getting what? 6.
Sir, I got root 6.
This one.
Root 6.
Okay. After this,
I got root times.
this one is subtraction is only wrong. Okay. Next, anybody else? I'll tell you, Praharsan, don't worry. Okay. Next,
Okay, sir.
children.
So, sir, I am telling, sir, the difference is coming root 2.
Just find whether you are getting root 2 as common difference or not. If you are not getting, you tell me right now. Only I just discuss. Difference should be root 2 everywhere. And how root 2 is coming, you should think over it, children. Hemant, you are
Then,
getting.
sir, the last three terms are here. 5 root 2, 6 root 2, 7 root 2.
Okay. You should write in this
Sir,
form
can
only.
you explain this?
Yeah, all right. Children, see, first of all, this is class 7th part. For root 8, how we can solve root 8? That root 4,
2 root 2.
we are writing as root 4 is nothing but 2 into 2. So this become pair, so we are writing only 2. This we know, no, Hemant?
Yes, sir.
So for root 8, we are writing it as 2 into 2 into 2. So this has become pair, so this become out, and this is only one single. So root 2. 2 root 2 for root 8. Understood, Hemant?
Yes, sir.
If this concept you know, then you can find the subtraction easily. Praharshan, we cannot subtract in root like this. Root 8 minus root 2 is root 6. This is not like terms, okay? You can subtract 3 root 2 minus root 2. This you can subtract, that is 2 root 2. 5 root 2 plus 2 root 2, that is 7 root 2. But if somebody asks you root 3 plus root 2, if you write root 5, this is wrong. You cannot add this. This will be same as it is, okay? Praharshan, concept is clear, child?
Yes, sir.
All right, fine. So these are the basic concepts of roots. So for root 8, you can write 2 root 2 minus root 2. So you can write 2 root 2 minus root 2. So answer is root 2 only. Again, for root 18 minus root 8, root 18 you will get 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2 is
2 root
equals
2.
to root 2 only.
Root 2.
Root 32 minus root 18 is nothing but
4
4
root 2.
root 2 minus 3 root 2, that is nothing but root 2. So everywhere root 2 we are getting. Okay. So fifth term, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth term is equals to a plus 4d. So a is root 2 plus 4 into difference is root 2 only, right? So you'll get 5 root 2.
5 root 2.
So don't write here 5 root 2. You have to expand this one. You should write complete in root. 5 into 5 into 2. So answer is 50. Root 50. You should write here root 50. Understood, Samarth?
Understood, sir.
Yeah.
I got the same answer.
Yeah, fine. Same answer only. 5 root 2 or root 50, both are same, children. Okay. Again, for sixth term, a6 is equals to a plus 5d. So you'll get root 2 plus 5 into root 2 to 6 root 2. You can write root 72. You are getting how we are writing root 72, children?
Yes.
Javian, you are getting how I'm writing root 72?
Yes, sir.
All right. So these are the concept of this first exercise, children. Now next part, any question is there? I'll tell you 1 minute. Next, all are easy questions. Nothing is there. Your first exercise got finished, children. So homework, I'll just write here. You can do first exercise 1.1. Sorry, which chapter is this? I don't know. I think sixth one. Right?
5.1, sir.
5.1. Okay.
5.1.
Homework 5.1 you can do at home. Now I'm moving to exercise 2. Okay. See, the first question is very, very easy, children. Here 3 things is given to you and you have to find the 4th one. Okay. In this question, 3 things is given to you. You can find 4th one. So all of you can do this question very easily. Anyone
Yes.
who is having doubt in question number 1? Anyone who is having doubt in question number 1? Simply you apply the formula. 3 values are given. Put the values. You get the 4th one answer. Okay. So right now, all of you do question number 4th. First main 4th one. Only one question you do. Hemant, Javian, all of you start off question number 4.
Okay, sir.
First main 4th one.
Sir, I got the value of answer.
So even I got the value of answer.
Okay, what you got?
Sir, I got 10 as the answer.
So 10, sir.
10. Okay. You got 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Hemant, you got the same answer, 10 only?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
If you don't know this, see this one, how we got 10 here. Here I have solved already. You can check it across. AN is equals to, those who are not getting, children, just look into it here. How we are getting 10 over here, just try to understand. See, first of all, we know the formula AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN is given 3.6 is equals to A is minus 18.9 plus n minus 1 into d, that is 2.5. Now 3.6 plus 18.9, you will get 22.5 is equals to n minus 1 into 2.5. If you divide, you will get 9, and this 1 will come this side, so it become plus 1, and answer is 10. So anyone having doubt here? No.
No, sir.
Question number 2, this is the very easy question. Find the 30th term of the AP. So first term is 10, second term is 7, so no need to solve. Okay. Second question I'm not going to discuss at all. Third question is very, very easy, children. See, third question, you will get two equations. Okay. You will get two equations. You have to solve and find the value of A and D. See, children, this, if you are having doubt, what you have to do is, if you find A and D, then you can find anything. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Anything you can find. Suppose I'll just show you last question of it. Okay. I'll show you last question, question number 5th. I have not done. See question number 4th. All of you see question number 4th here. Here, first term is given, A1 is given, that is A, that is 4. Okay. A6 is given, that is A plus 5D. A6 given 6. So minus 4 plus 5D is equal to C. Minus 4 plus 5D is equal to 6. So D we got 2. Now A2 we can find, A3 we can find, A4 we can find, A5 we can find. So anyone having things is given to you, you have to find any other thing you can find easily. Okay. So question number 3rd. Don't think this is n. This is an. Okay, you have to find n over here. A is equals to 3 is given. D is equals to 5. N is equals to 78. And n is equals to what? Apply the formula and get the answer. Is it clear? All right. Now see, this question also exactly same. I'm not going to tell you this question. This question also I'm not going to tell you. Ditto easy sums are there. Okay. Next. This is also okay only. Whether this minus 150 term is coming in the last, whether this is a term or not. So here concept, you know, we have to find n. We have to find n over here. Control Z. So if n is coming positive natural number, if n is coming positive natural number, then only then minus 150 is term of AP. Otherwise not. Otherwise not. Understood, children, what I'm writing here? If you're finding
Yes,
the
sir.
value of n, if it is positive natural number, then only this is in minus 50 is the term of AP, otherwise not. So while finding the answer of n, we are getting like this 164 by 3. So this is not positive natural number. So this term is, this 150 is not the term of AP. Is it clear to everyone, children? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
All right. Next, see what they're given. Find the 31st term. 31st term is A31. We have to find it out. Okay. And A31 formula is what? A plus 30D. Do you know the concept? If you know A and D, we can find 31st term. And how to find A and D? This two hint is given to us. One is 11th term and one is 16th term. These two terms is given to us. We have to do this, get the value of D. You know this substitution method, elimination method, children? This
Yes,
you
sir.
know, this you know, Hemant,
Yes, sir.
Praharshan.
Yes, sir.
So you can find D and D value put in A or second, first and second, you'll get the answer of A also. Then you can put the value, you'll get the answer. So children, just try to do this first and second exercise. Okay.